this? Oh, they got a cute sign. Hey y'all, it's me, and we are back in the woods. We have gotten past the summer holiday season. By the way, happy Juneteenth, happy Father's Day, blessed solstice, happy Independence Day. And now that we're past all the hustle and bustle, we definitely deserved a break, and we thought exploring a new park would be the perfect thing. So we are here at Sakatah Lake State Park, here in the middle southwestern part of Minnesota. So let us finish setting up and get to relaxing. How are you? How's your summer? Yeah. Okay. We got everything mostly set up. I think we're gonna go pick up dinner. You know what it is. And then check out this campground. I'm so excited. Okay. I gotta calm down. It's hot. Okay, we're gonna go take a walk around, but before I wanted to show you our campground. We are at campsite 11. And I really like this spot. So, excuse me. Okay, so you drive in. Beautiful log, and here we are. Okay. Really dip in here. Now, the only thing is that it is on a slope, baby. So this is where we're feeling more safe. And it just slopes into the woods. But yeah, nice little site. Very private. Very private. What is it? 10 is up a hill, down a hill, up a hill, down a hill. And we haven't checked out where 12 is yet. So let's go check it out together. Hi, Marlin. Hi, beautiful Marlin. So 12 is our across the street neighbor. You can see their table here. So you technically could see possibly us and make eye contact, but it's still not so close. And in this wooded, look at how beautiful and lush this park is. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to walk it. Let's go. You know I love a good insight, so we are at 14, which is the last site here. Well, 15, but someone's there. But so 14 here, and it's not bad. I don't know why, who, or what, or why put the table on the pad. You know, if I ever stay here by myself, I probably would stay at 14. As long as that table is not on the pad. Okay, we are checking out the map here now. We got 4 loops that we can do. We're on the very first one at the very last side of it. So, let's see. It's so wooded and beautiful here. We're gonna see if we can do all 4. It's early enough, right? Okay. Okay. I will say this is an example of one of their electric sites. It's actually quite wooded for an electric site here. This is 16. That's not too bad. I wouldn't stay there, but it's not too bad. Yeah, you can see the water flood risk there. 23 with some stairs. Let's see. I'm gonna go in here real quick. This is 23 here. Oh, that's so cute. So you park your car here, and then you take these stairs and or this here. Excuse me. Oh, and then this is where you camp. And there's the shower house right there. Back there, if you can see it. But yeah, this would be your campsite. It's really open though. Actually, surprisingly, you would think, because there's a campsite, there's the bathroom, and then all the thing is cute about it is the stairs. It's actually quite open on the road there, but there's some kids there, so I won't record them. Yeah, it's not great actually. A real nice one. This is 27 here. This is great. 'Cause then you're still private. I don't think this is an electric site though. No, but this is still really nice. Very open. Neighbors are over there and you can't see them. You are back to butt with that campsite though. So it's probably not the best. I want to make a note for you, Indigo, that 25 was terrible for you two guys. This note is for future me and you guys, is that 25 was terrible. 26 and 27 are big enough for multiple tents, but they're still a little, you know what I'm saying? So, but we're making it to the shower house. Yay! Okay, so let's go show that next. Their toilets were surprisingly clean, so I'm really having high hopes for their showers. Wow. I know how I feel about the light tile, but it is extremely clean. Wow. How beautiful. Like, this has to be new. It's so nice. It's so nice. Fine. You want a giant rock on your spot, you can stay at 51. It's just a walk away from the showers. But hi, neighbor. Why do y'all have this walkway between each other? Oh my God. Yeah, this is 53 here, and look how big it is. Get a big old rock to sunbathe on. Not really hammock trees, but a pad way through the trees there. Believe me, is the water, I think. Yeah, 54 next to the trail, but it is also huge. I would stay at 53 and then 54. It's a hiking club trail. Yeah, I'm sure on paper this looks really nice. It's an insight almost. And oh yeah, this is the one we almost did because it's next to the cabin. Yeah, we almost took these, and I'm really glad we didn't because they're both pretty open and stubby, as Mark would call it. So very glad that we didn't.
Like a
giant tent pad back there, but the brush is just a little low here. As you can see, the brush is just a little low. And then speaking of, their lovely camper cabin over here. Now this is nice. We're gonna see if it's open. As long as nobody is camped next to you, this is pretty nice. I mean, even if they're camped now, as long as nobody's camped next to you, this is pretty nice. I think this is their only cabin. Somebody has this booked. We're gonna just take a quick look here. Oh, it's quite wide. Oh, you get a little fireplace. How cozy. With your pictures, you got pictures in this one? Oh my God. This is real nice. This is real nice. Okay. I could stay here. This would be nice. Okay, let's get out of here before that person comes. A nice sized cabin with a a shitty view, you would say. Because that's where you empty your poo stuff. Well, you don't see this too often in campsites, and I'm sure we'll see it more often now that we have the Yodel app that you can get your firewood from. So rather than having to go all the way to the state park, office, or it's closed, you can just stop right here and grab some wood. Cute. Oh my gosh. That's great. 38 is back there. Got a nice little tent pad. Great foliage on both sides. I would stay at 38, yeah.
Is that one electric?
I don't know. Is it?
No.
No. Okay. We're still trying to find a good electric site, as well as 41. 41. Yeah.
Water run out.
On yours, no. There's a tent up there. No. Luckily they're not there. There's a camo tent up there. So it was pretty nice. Yeah. We would stay there too. 41 was pretty nice. Whoops. And this is how quickly you can have a great campsite next to a garbage campsite. This is 42. And all you have is your tent pad. And number 4 is right there. You might as well just given this to number 4 at this point. Oh gosh, no. Oh. I am so sorry. I know a lot of that footage was greasy. But you know what? At least you know I'm moisturized.
As long as the past couple days.
Yeah, it's moist here. On the floor and the air, guys. Because, oh my gosh. The humidity in my city. Okay, we are just cutting through one of our little cutaways here. This is actually a surprisingly bigger campground than you would think. But we're doing it. And it's nice. I like it. Oh, that was a great walk. It's not hot. It's just mad muggy though. We're gonna sit, cool off, grab dinner, hang out, and it's bedtime. We already passed the solstice. Whatever you want. Yeah, I'm telling. My baby.
Get down to 60 minutes.
Believe not. Now.
I mean, the last time I underestimated the stove. Sorry, it's like a burnt breakfast.
What are you talking about? This is fine. We're full. We're dressed. And we're ready to start the day. I'm loving like this slow relaxation that we have going on. I don't even know what time it is. But anyway, now that we're starting the day, bug repellent cocktail of the summer is our homemade outdoor oil that is here. As you can see, we got a little bit of rosemary and lavender from the garden. In here, it is rosemary, lavender, jasmine, geranium, and a little bit of oil. This, super cute, but because we are in the thick of the summer, pick red. This is like the deep woods. If I could blend these two together and make a deep wood blend, but for now, just these two babies. So while we go and enjoy the park, and maybe even just stop into town, I thought before, let's learn about this park together, because I've never been to Sakatah and she's growing on me. So we have our park information here. Established in 1963, Sakatah Lake State Park offers you the opportunity to camp, hike, and recreate by the lake. Ooh, I like that. While still protecting the forest, wetlands, prairies, and the creatures that depend on them. Members of the Dakota Nation tribe gave this area the name Sakatah, meaning the sights and sounds of children playing on the hill, or loosely translated to singing hills. The rolling terrain is the work of glaciers that deposited mounds of rocks and mineral debris some 14,000 years ago. In some places, these deposits are up to 400 feet deep. Oh my. You're like $500,000, aren't you?
Especially if you got that whole yard to your backside.
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe we'll buy it. We are back at the campsite, getting the fire ready. And while Mark does that, what I want to do actually is find a big old burdock leaf here. So I don't know everything when it comes to foraging, of course. Nature is an ever learning being. But what I do know is from the last time I showed you plantain, and I told you how plantain is good for bug bites. Well, that is the same for burdock, which in some cases burdock, this is the plantain, wild plantain, burdock. And is there nettle over here? No. Usually, for me, I can usually find nettle close to burdock, but this isn't the case. But anywho, so we are going to take, not that big of a leaf, not that leaf, like this leaf here. Sorry, burdock. Thank you. So we're going to take this little leaf here of this burdock. So what you do is you clean it off. You have this little flat piece. And what I like to do is just crush it up. You can even bite it, but just crush it up. You want to irritate the oils, activate the oils within the leaf, right? And now that you have your beat up leaf here, see, you can kind of almost see when you start seeing like those oils, you see that? Those oils start coming out. You can rub this on the bug bite. Now for me, for my instance, I got bit on the top of my foot. So what I'm going to do is not show you my crunchy ass feet, but take this beat up leaf, and the bite is somewhere right here. So I'm going to lay this leaf, doesn't matter which side, I don't think. Lay this leaf on top of it like that, and really like rub it against your skin, right? Get those oils in your skin, and then hold it there like that, all beat up and everything. And then you put your sock on top of that. And what this does is going to soothe that bite. Oops. While it dries on top of there. And because you have socks on, it'll hold it in place and give it friction so it gets more oils. So make sure it's on the bite, because I messed that up. But yeah, put it right on top of your bite. Bob's your uncle. Now, disclaimer. Do your own research. I'm just a girl on the internet. So do your own research. But that's how I like to do it for bug bites. You're welcome. Oh, you know, the bugs are out because we are in our blue protective gear. Let's get dinner started. We are having loaded baked potatoes. Sweet potatoes. Well, if you don't let me bake this stupid potato. It's hot. Potatoes are in. Oh, that's going to be a while. So we got a little appetizer today. Yay! I saw this online, and I like to call it a charcuterie s'more. So that's what we're going to have today. Let's see how it is. It has to be delicious. It's meat, cheese over a flame. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Take one of these babies. It's tracking off. Just take this like this. Stick it through the middle, like so. Yeah. Slap this baby right there. Thank you. Ooh, 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 hot. Mm. Wow.
Yeah.
Fantastic. This is perfect. Fuel, protein, veggies. Blessed be to the world that feeds me. Ashe. Okay. Oh. It's hot. The crud buckets. It's about to rain. It is 6 in the morning and we gotta go. It's about to dump on us. We were really lucky with all the rainy season that we got a couple days of just like really good weather. And you know what? Sakatah? Sakatah Lake State Park? You have stolen my heart. I wasn't prepared because this park is between Mankato and Faribault. It's between Flandreau and a different state park. It's between two cities, between two state parks. So you thought there wasn't going to be much to it. But oh my gosh, I have to say that this park is just enough park, if that makes sense. It's not super big, but it has everything. Um, the sites are big, but they're flourished and not upright on top of each other. And there's water everywhere, like water spouts everywhere. Picnic, beautiful. Trails, beautiful. Little rugged. The only negative I would have is that in this loop here that we're in, like the last or the first 1 through 14, the closest to the road, I don't know if you can hear the road, but I can all day. So all night. So that just makes me want to come back and try some of the campsites that's deeper into the grounds. But let me stop yapping before we start getting rained on and dumped on, because the sky is just gonna break open here in any second. So we are off, and thank you everyone for 700 subscribers. Oh my God. I love you all so much. We're a fellowship and we go on these adventures together. So don't forget to go outside and explore something new and touch some grass. I'll see you again real soon. Bye. I love you.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel